Vendors in Harare have expressed strong dismay over the government's plans to remove them from the Central Business District CBD ahead of the upcoming Southern African Development Community SADC Summit scheduled for next month. Achiperi mushe muRezimbabwe toona kuti mavendors onzi ada kubvisiwa mumastreets kuti ayo hanzi mastreets aramba ari clear. Sabena mashoko ataona nyangwe iwe vachicomplaina not bo subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Timina munhu kwamutse the government intends to clear the Harare CBD of street vendors to enhance the city's image and ensure a clean and orderly environment for the regional event. Street vending has become a vital source of livelihood for many Zimbabweans, especially in the context of the country's struggling economy. With the limited formal employment opportunities and high rate of unemployment, informal trading has become a crucial means of survival for a significant portion of the population. Vendor representatives argue that street vending is the only viable means of earning a living for many, and that the government's plans to relocate them will have a devastating impact on their ability to support themselves and their families. Vachokwa tiri kuona kuti awa representative vema vendors ari kuitira chete aiwa ndo pari kuwanda raramo munyika yeZimbabwe hamuna mabasa, hamuna vanhu vari unemployed, maformal employment hamuna, vanhu vatoona raramo pamusoro pe-street vending iyo vada kurelocate kana kubvisiwa. Zvichira kuti kubva izvezvi kuzosvika SADC ichizopera kuzvi-end of August uko vanhu vanenge vasingatengesi. Tidudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Zvine kume section medu musana subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.